How to add a payment method in the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to add a payment method to your Wise account for faster transfers, well, here is how to do it in just a few steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once inside the app, you can simply scroll down and tap on send. And now you can choose who you are sending money to, or you can even add a new recipient. And now here, once you're done with that, you need to enter the amount and currency for your transfer. And after that, you can just tap on continue. And on the payment method screen, you'll see options like debit slash credit card, bank account, or Apple slash Google Pay. So there you can just tap on add new card or add bank account and enter the necessary details. And once added, Wise will securely save your payment method for future transfers. And Wise uses encryption to keep your payment info safe so you can send money without any worries. And that's it. That's how you can add a payment method in the Wise account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.